tutorial I'm going to show you how you can quickly add a PNG brush design into Affinity Photo. Now first thing to do, I'm just going to quickly get rid of that, just put it back to the start point and go over to brushes. Now if you can't find the brushes, go to View and Studio and Brushes. Once you've actually got that, you've got this over here. You can obviously set a particular category for it, but I'm just going to go for, say, drawing. Just going to go with that, and then just go up here. Just go to, you could obviously create a new category, but you can also create a new intensity brush. Right, that's the first thing. Main thing, new intensity brush. Once you do that, just go and select a PNG file or whatever format that Affinity Photo will accept in that area. So I'm just going to go for a PNG file here, and now these ones are brushes from Graphic Extras. These are arrow design brushes that you can use in Affinity Photo as well as Photoshop and many other applications. So I'm just going to select that one. So it's a very basic black arrow. Click open. Once you've actually done that, just go down there and select it. So you can see it's got 64 size, and what you want to do then is just double click that and bring up this little panel. Now, first thing to do, just go over here. You can make size jitter. You can see the size there. You can also add that rotation jitter, so you can rotate it. Go to the general section, and you can modify, say, the spacing, so you can actually see the little arrows there. You can, of course, modify the rotation as well there. There's other options such as blend mode for it, so you can go for normal, darken, etc. So I'm just going to go with don't set a blend mode. And then again, there's other options here. You've actually got an option here for texture, which is brush nozzle. So what you can do, if you want to say another brush, you can actually say add, and I'm just going to go now and select another one of these brushes. Select that one, say, click open, and then you'll see it there. And there's also a texture option down there. I'm not going to add texture, but you can add any kind of textures as well. So, of course I could add another one, but I'm going to click close at this point. And then just apply it. And you can see then as you go over there, you can actually apply it like that. You can also add, I'm just going to double click it again. You can go over here and say dynamics, hue jitter, as well as saturation jitter, etc. And I'm just going to as well scatter as well. So you can see it's scattering X direction and scatter Y. So you can actually sort of make them, just move that across, and then you can see the colour now has been changed from the basic red and going to green and other colours as well. So that's a quick way of adding new brushes into Affinity Photo. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you very much.